Hi team Fullest, this is again Amy Fullest. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I make my onions and ginger hair mask. I have been using this now on my edges just because I've noticed that my hair is growing pretty good, but I noticed that since I cut my hair I haven't really tied my head before going to bed. I just go to bed like that. I do oil and moisturize my hair, but I don't really tie my head like the way I used to when my hair was long. Now I just jumped onto bed and sleep, and I sleep on my side. So because of that, my edges in the side has really break out, has not been growing because I've not been really taking care of it. So since I noticed that couple of days ago, a week now I think, I have been doing the ginger and onions hair mask. I do also make the juice, and I kind of like rub it. I make the juice, I blend the ginger and the onions, and then I extract the juice out of it. I put it in a small container and I use that on my edges every night or every day. It depends on maybe an hour or two before I'm going to bed, just so that the smell can ease down a little bit. So that's what I've been doing. So today I want to come and show you guys how I make it. It's very simple. All you need is onions and ginger. I have this big ginger. You can use as much as you want. It all depends on your hair. You guys know my hair is short at the moment, so I do not need a lot of stuff. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take my knife. I'm going to peel off the onions. I'm going to remove the skin. Onion is very good for hair loss. Ginger, it helps with hair loss and all those beautiful things. Guys, do your own research before you use something. Don't just use something because of you see somebody is using it. I've watched a lot of video. I've done a lot of research on Google just to see, and I thought, you know what, let me try it since it's natural. The only thing, the smell is not the best smell. But if you really want your hair to grow, you want to have like a long hair, you want your hair to look flawless, you want your hair to feel strong, to not break easily, try this. It's very good for the hair, and I have been using it now for like a week now or something, and I really have seen how my edges is growing little by little. Now I do tie my head. I have these hair caps that I made. I do put on some head cap when I'm ready to go to bed. I don't go to bed like that anymore because I at first when I saw my head I was like, whoa, my hair is growing, but my edges at the side is breaking off. What is going on? And I thought, oh yep, I've not been tying my head, so that is definitely it. So I decided, you know what, it's time to switch up things. I'm going to use this one as well because that's like the ginger kind grow. I just love it. So I thought, you know what, I mean, it's time to, and I really didn't like the way my edges was looking, to be honest. I was like, whoa, my edge, I know my edges are always thin, not always, but like, come on, my hair is not even that long. If my hair was super long and my edges is thin, and I would be like, oh, maybe because my edges is very short and is weak. But now I've cut all my hair, I don't have any chemical, and I'm like, no, this has to be with me not putting any headband before going to bed, neglecting my edges. So that's why my edges is like looking like this, and I thought it's time to just try out all the crazy natural technique out there to kind of grow the hair out. So that is what I'm doing. So yeah, but so far I've been really loving it. I don't have issue with the smell. I do it like 1 or 2 or 3 hours before bed, and I just massage it into my edges, especially the water that I make, the juice. I massage that on my edges and I leave it. And then in the daytime, in the daytime, I do make the hair mask, and I use that on my entire head. So I have no issue with it. Just because of these days I have been having cold, guys. excuse me, sorry. I'm a little bit under the weather. I'm having allergic reaction because you know it's the summertime, the flowers are coming. So I do sleep with onions next to my bed. So it's like putting the ginger and the onions water mixture in my head. The juice in my on my edges does not really make any, it doesn't really, the smell doesn't make any difference for me, because I do have like a pack of onions and ginger right beside my bed. So I'm smelling that every time. So it's like putting this on my hair does not make any difference. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut this into pieces, because when you cut it into pieces, it's more easier to blend. Hope you all can see. It is more easier to blend, and I want everything to come out really, really smooth. Like when I said smooth, really smooth. And I put this into my head and I leave it for, you can leave it for 30 minutes, an hour. I leave it for way longer than that, to be honest. I leave it a little bit longer. I leave it till when I feel like, you know what, it's time to wash this thing off my head. That's the time I normally will go and wash it. And I also apply it when I know, like, you know what, I'm going to take shower. Maybe like in 2 hours time, I want to go and take a fresh shower. Then I will put this on my head. Like today, that's how I'll do it. I'll make it, and every time I make it, I like to make it fresh. The hair mask, I like to make it fresh. And if, for example, I make a lot, I will extract the juice out of it and put it in this small container, and I'll use this on my edges when I'm not making the hair mask. So now that we cut everything, I'm just going to put this, let's try to close this container, make sure everything is closed tight. So now it's time to blend. So now I'm done blending it. Everything is very, very smooth. It's like smooth as you are making a baby food. Everything is so smooth. So I'm just going to open this. Oh, it's so smooth. I'm just going to open this, and I'm just going to put this on this tray. So like this, for example, it's way too much, so I'm not going to be using everything. I'm going to keep the little bits, and then I'm going to extract the juice out of this one, and then I'm going to use this to put it in a container, so I can use this as the juice to massage my edges when I'm not making the hair mask. So if you are very sensitive to onions, your eyes are going to burn. So guys, this is the onions and the ginger blend together. So this is what I'm going to use to deep condition in my hair. I'm going to put this all over my hair and then put a shower cap, put a plastic bag, tie my head, leave it for 30 minutes to an hour, and then take a shower, and then I'm ready to go. And then the remaining one, I'm going to get the juice out, and then I'm going to use that to put in a little container, which I'll be using to massage my edges. So guys, this is how you make the onions and ginger hair mask. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you guys in my next video. This is again AMIFULLEST. Peace out. Bye.